Look, I'm watching live TV on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Well, what do you think? Do you stay to see how we do it? Well, yes, any channel. You can see any
channel. And here I show you. Let's see how it's done. Well, let's see how we're going to do it.
The first thing we have to do to be able to watch TV on the watch is to transfer an application from the phone to the watch. To pass an application from the phone to the watch, what we have to do is to download the application here in APK format. You can get the Google Chrome file in this Telegram group called APKs for Wear OS, and it's damn good. And you have it here in the pinned files. Here at the top of everything, you see 6 pinned messages. You have here list of updated APKs, and here you will have Google Chrome. This is what you have to download to the phone and then be able to transfer it to the watch. In the description of the video you have a link to go to the Telegram group. Well, once we have it, well, we can pass it on here to watch. And on the watch I will show you how to do it to watch TV from Google Chrome. First of all, what we have to do is enable the watch so that it can receive files in APK format. We go to the configuration and the configuration. Be careful because here I am going to having to give a series of warnings so that everything goes well for you. So we go in the setting. Note that we are at the end of everything about the clock. We go down to information about software, and in software information we have to go and touch many times in. No, now I don't. Okay. Software version. Here the developer mode has been activated. My goodness, it's been a long time that he didn't. So we go back, and when we go back to the configuration, to the settings, if we go down a little more, then we are going to find the developer options below. What do we want to do with developer options? Well, come in here and open the possibility. Look, we had it activated. Well, you have to activate this option here, debugging. ADB. Sure? Yes, sure. And then, if we don't have it activated, debug with Wi-Fi. Let's think. We don't have it. Just in case, you click on debugging with Wi-Fi, and here you will get a number, an IP address. Look, 192.168.88.2.55. We have to stay with 192.168.88. In my case it is this. In your case, maybe a different one. What comes after the colon? Forget it. So, if it does not appear here, you have to exit again. Re-enter the settings, developer options, and then you will see what the IP address of the watch is. We already have this IP address, which is what? And we are going to have to remember to go to the application that connects the watch with the phone. In my case I recommend one called Buckyager. I have the Pro version, but we are going to do it with the normal version because the free version also works. So we have this here. You see that there are several icons here. Today we get advertising. Well, all out. Bye. We have several icons. Here, we have to go to packages, okay? We are going to give this symbol that is a small plug. Look, this will serve to connect. Plug us into the clock. I already had the address set. In the event that you do not have it set or it does not come out, then you will have to put the same numbers that appear here in the ADB debugging. In my case it is 192.168.88, separated by points. We already have it. Connect here and click connect. We are not in the same red Wi-Fi. If we are not on the same Wi-Fi network, it will not be able to connect. This is very important. There are a lot of people who ask me, hey, but if we're not? Wait, we're going to start over. You have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We are going to connect you. Open screen. Now, yes, we are in the same network, and here theoretically I should get a notice if I want to connect. Then it has failed. Well, but look, he tells me yes. It tells me that it fails. But if we go here we get the address, okay? And here all the apps we have. We have things. Here we have things, and that means that it is connected. Even if it appears that it has failed, if you see that the IP address appears here, that means that it is connected. Once we have this, you see that here we have all these things. What are these? These are the apps that are installed on the watch. Well, we're going to have to leave while. Here in packages. Neither here nor here, not in packages. Software packages. We give this one more. Select the APK file and then we will have to go find the APK file. Where are we going? Well, to the download folder. Here we have to search for downloads, and inside the folder downloads we have Telegram. And within Telegram you have to look for this Android, Chrome, I don't know what. Note that it weighs 125 megabytes, so it will take a while to install. We give him here and he says okay, installing. And now patience. Patience, it may take 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Go to no, we're going to wait. Package installed, that's it. We have taken a couple of minutes. It took me a couple of minutes, and so now that we have the package installed we can put this aside here because we can come here and go to the applications downloading. We will see that we have here Google Chrome. Google Chrome, okay. Well, at first we welcome you to Google Chrome. I don't know how much. Victor Endrino, we are going to say yes. Let's continue like Victor. No thanks more. Activate. Synchronization. Well look, it is not necessary. For what we want, it is not necessary to activate synchronization. And now to search or write and I don't know what. Well, let's search or write and hear what we have. To do is put a search that is photocall.tv. We hit it here and now I think we're going to get it. One thing. Let's see. No, look, we don't get it. Photocall.tv. We are going to give you the first result, and in the first, as a result, we are going to go to this wonderful web page that allows us to watch live television channels, and right here. Okay, it's a page full of links. It's loading and look at what comes out here. Look how many television networks. We have a lot of channels. I don't know if you go to be able to see all. I don't know if you will be able to see them all. Well, here at photocall.tv now, you have noticed a cut because I have gone to another page because my fingers, which are blood sausages, have this problem. But let's choose, for example, I don't know, this same 4 in here. You see that it comes out direct or web. Well, let's go live to see if I'm right, and here we are going to load the direct player of the channel that we have chosen. Look, we already have it. See what happens. I think this is advertising. When you click once, advertising comes out. I think here is. Yes, we close. We hit it here again and we get publicity, and we hit it a third time, and the third time we do get the television channel. This is done by many web pages with many video players. Do not believe that it is a mistake or that it is a scam. No, double click. To do it in full page and full screen, they are giving a movie. Okay, and then we can get out of here, get out of the player. Let's go to another chain. I do not know. Direct Spanish television. We have given it direct. And so you can try which are your favorite channels. You will be able to see most of them. But remember that if you hit it once and it doesn't work for you, it's because an advertising window has opened for you. You close the advertising window, you hit it again, and you can do it 2 or 3 times, and the third time it will work for you. Look, here we have. Already, by God, I want to double click it, but come on, you see that it is not infallible, but the channels can be seen. What happens is that I am a big hand, and I do nothing but touch. We're going to give it back. What I want is to see full screen. Okay, let's go full screen. Now I got it. Put on Wi-Fi. If you remove the Bluetooth, it seems to be more fluid.